You saw we've had a very detailed hearing which went on for over 3 hours, and all the points were covered. The 1950 Act is an animal slaughter control, and it was aimed primarily at agricultural animals, which was the situation in 1950, and to make sure that animal husbandry and milk production is not affected. Of course, and that was limited to municipal areas only. There is no provision for this act in panchayat areas. But when you saw the notification says that Panchayat Samiti Sabhapati, but it's not even applicable to a panchayat area. That notification has never been done. We argued an entire spectrum of reasons, from the technical issues such as who do you go to for a certificate, and if the vet and the municipality chairman disagree, there is room for appeal for 15 days. But in this case, where do you have to get non-judicial paper, get a 1 rupee stamp? All of these things have never been done. So the technicalities of this were one part of the challenge. The religious argument, where in Islam you have to sacrifice because it is synonymous with the sacrifice of Ibrahim, who was ready to sacrifice even his own child. It has to be an healthy animal. So if you take a 14-year-old animal who is diseased or maimed or unfit in any way, that is not even fit for sacrifice. And if you see the Animal Cruelty Act, even the Animal Cruelty Act has an exemption for religious sacrifice. The Animal Slaughter Control Act, West Bengal, has an exemption under Section 12. So we really argued the entire gamut and the entire spectrum, and it was a very detailed discussion. So we will hopefully get an order this evening. Look, we've gone to court. We are always positive. Let us see what we get.